Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials to simplify your scheduling. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Calendly. Updating your profile picture can personalize your scheduling page and make sure your profile reflects a professional image. Start by heading to your Calendly homepage and make sure you're logged in. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and from the drop-down menu, select Profile. On your profile page, look for the option to upload or change your picture. Click Upload Picture, which will open a file browser so you can select an image from your device. Make sure to choose a professional, clear and well-lit headshot that represents you well. After selecting your image, you can adjust its positioning, crop, zoom or rotate as needed. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Apply. Then scroll down and hit Save Changes to finalize your new profile picture. And that's it. Your Calendly profile picture is now updated, adding a professional touch to all your interactions. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Calendly tutorials.